Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up for the Impact affiliate program. So if you're actually interested here, guys, in partnering with a wide range of brands and earning commission, like look at this guys, there's Adidas, Lenovo, StockX, there's a bunch of different brands. So if you want to partner with them and start earning your commission, this is actually a great affiliate network to check out. So what you want to do, guys, is first head over to impact.com and you just want to click on the sign up or button or join as an affiliate partner. Okay, come here, click on partner with us. And basically, guys, Impact actually work with many top brands as I mentioned, and signing up with an affiliate partner gives you access to promote products across the different industries. So when you start to sign up here, you just come all the way down here, guys. Come all the way down here, and then, guys, you just want to click on here, get started today, and it's gonna take you to the sign up page, right? For the partners, okay? Sign up page for the partners. Now it's just verifying from a human. This isn't normal, so they don't have to, just for their security. So there's a lot of DNS server attacks and stuff going on. So it's just gonna verify you in just a second, and then it's gonna redirect us in just a moment, guys. So basically, we're gonna be entering our basic information. Things like your name, your email, your website, what relevant social media channels you have, if you have them in the first place. And Impact may also ask you about your audience and your different traffic sources so that they can connect you with brands that actually match your niche. So here, guys, it has verified that I am not a bot and I'm actually human. So now it's redirecting me to the sign up page, and it's just about to load up. Here, guys, you can actually sign up with email normally, as I mentioned, and enter your details, or you can actually use a Google account directly, guys. So after you actually fill in all your information, if you want, you can read through Impact's terms and conditions, make sure you're comfortable with them, and then click on submit to complete your application. And then actually, guys, Impact will review your application, which can actually take a few days, and then you will get an email notification once you're actually approved. So once you're approved, you're going to get access to Impact's dashboard, guys, okay? Here is where you can actually browse and apply to the different individual brands affiliate programs, guys, okay? Some brands may actually approve you instantly, while others might want to review your application. As you can see, there's a lot of different brands like Levi's. And that's it, guys. So signing up for Impact affiliate program is pretty straightforward, and you can open your doors to working with tons of great brands. So guys, if this quick guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.